So you can press the Windows key and type Corel to open the Coreldraw software, right? So if you click on here, it will be opening, right? So we should give some time to open, right? Right. So this is the Coreldraw interface, right? So last week we have opened this one and right. 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 So this is the welcome screen, right? So first we'll see how we can create a new file, right? So here you can go to the file over here, right? So you have the file option here. Go to file, right? Then press new. Go to file and press new, right? So once you press new, right? Once you press new, you will get this option, right? Create a new document. Create a new document, right? Here you can add the file name, right? So the name just add uh, example 1, right? Example -1, right? Example -1, right? So this is going to be the first document, right? Example -1, right? So those who don't have the Coreldraw at the moment, please be patient. I will help you, right? So then don't change any of these things, and here we have we have the most important thing, right? So the most important thing when you are setting up a document is the what? The unit, right? The unit. So here we have the units, right? So here it says the inches, right? Here it says the inches. So don't change it, right? Don't change it. But if I ask to change it to centimeters, you should change, right? So let me show you. So here in this drop down you have millimeters, pixels. Here surprisingly we have kilometers, right? So if you want to design something several kilometers width and height, you can use the kilometers option, right? Kilometers option, right? Don't select the kilometers, just select inches, right? So today we will try to be familiar with some basic tools in Coreldraw. So in that case, we'll just use the size 7 and 7, 7 with height 7, right? So just press 7 here and again here 7, right? So here don't change this one, number of pages, and here we have the primary color mode as CMYK, primary color mode as CMYK. So in the last session I have asked you to gather some knowledge about the color modes, right? So during the lecture I will ask you some questions, right? Because I have noted it, right? Then don't change this rendering resolution. If you feel like your computer is not up to the performance, it means if you feel like it's lagging or something, you can change it around to 200. So you can reduce it up to 200. It's enough, right? So if you want to change this, or if you want to change this to a larger amount, you should purchase some new hardware and some other things, because if you increase the DPI rate, so or dots per inches rate, you would need um, some latest hardware to run, hardwares and GPUs. Otherwise you have need such things, so don't change it, right? Then preview mode, it keep it as enhanced, right? So here also we have some settings. So it's about the color settings, right? So don't change this, right? make sure it's RGB. Likewise, don't change it. By default it's fine, right? And you have some description also. So description means it will show you some details about the document, right? So don't click this one. Do not show this dialog again. If you click this one, when you open the software for the second time, this dialog box don't appear, right? Don't appear, right? Then press OK, right? Then press OK, right? That's how you create a new document, right? Very straightforward. Then be patient. Now you have the new document with you. Now you have the new document with you, right? That's how you create the new document.